Don't haunt me yet, did you haunt my soul? So, test up and it's up with me haunt my home. I near me near virus, my peer can pay first, you'll be an assun cake at the chair breath here, and the who said the chair breath passing, give me, see me, peer me, shame me, take quite cheerful.
Hello? Hello, Mura. Now, what to say? Well, I know come to sit down and say coffee. O mama hu ne ko wuri me bia mano na wudi matam bia no na adai na mena mo wa na wo na wo me se na mena mo wa ka kire moro se so anya buroni kukuma kwatri ntu mfa me nya twe nya sa ka hu se me na menyem wo ansa na wo ba wi ase nti sa wo so ada na wusie nti wo no wo fa na ebo na wo maame na wo no bo so me nkroma nyem wo no no to afia me fie na ma wo amodu se no anya ba bia kwatena je se me de me ball ama me ball ama hwe maame susum ta wachi a wo bobbo bra kosoro unsi fom da wo be ka wiem sa be lo si fom se mi sa firi so amoro aba mobo wo ba mobo se wo sa so achi dwale ntu fa me nya hwe wo de ma ye ball What's me when you were he? Did the Mora Moya were he? What the Cromoch Kusi you can't send him in Pie Bank, Abena Quaco Cromo. Kusitrini, church, you chabella, Hene. Yamina Malcoy, just a Yamina Malcoy. You, Midi Miss Row, will be in Hobon Pie Man and Bassa and Abrabonia Bassa, Midi Miss Row. Now, some men, me who you were he. No one need me be mo dia into of financial so need net down on see you me so beba abe hunu se obi to nwon wante ana wo to nwon wante woni me so wode dan scam na busuafo so nsi da obaye asase kura ye nya bi maame e dan so aye ne basa enuanu ma me nwunu mi hu o enu abne Mama nyune mi ho.
Woni munya sign kakwasi adoka. Woni munya sign kakwasi adoka. Obobra kakwasi ayoba. Obobra kora kwasi ayoba. Wajimia anyansa fuate onka. Kasati ampanyi fuwa na nanu maje musa. Yeah. Woni munya sign kakwasi adoka. Kwasi ajumedi. Woni munya sign kakwasi adoka. Obobra kakwasi ayoba. I am king for the wood. And you giddy, call it walk, you know, yeah, what you say. I do it for the wood. You giddy, call it walk, you know, yeah, what you say. I do it for the wood. You giddy, call it walk, you know, yeah, what you say. I do it for the wood.
Call me virus. I do it for Chrome. Or for Chrome, and I'm see and call Chrome. Okay, let's do it for what's say Chrome. If you ton soup, may you make us yourself bone soup. Against who is still time, Joe, what is Sonny and the corn soup. The free band, straight up, now make come menshia. Kalano flexing, and sweat your frame menshia. Some number man and your wife, Pia Joe, Ninjina. You want it put up, don't haunt me yet, did you haunt my soul? So, test up and it's up with my home, my name.
Beyonce. Wait. Beyonce. Beyonce. Is that you? Auntie. Sweetheart, give me some minutes, okay? B! Come here. I miss you so much. Let me see. They're looking so beautiful than ever. Oh my. What about you, Natasha? I want to. Like, Lottie. Still the same. I can't believe. I was just passing by and I was feeling hungry. I was like, let me get something to eat. Said, oh, I am here. Oh my God. I can't wait to buy. We need to fly. No, sorry. Well, I'm still there, you know. So tell me, what's going on?
As you can see, you know, my bazaar.
I'm just there right now. The vampire, the serial vampire said, "Many of them may be now one what but no one me because the Nema say, you know, just say, be slow down, but they are by them in the morning."
Papa, Henry. We didn't count some corner, and my money. To buy in your bonnet. And penny for the boo baby say a bonnet cry, you couldn't. I am obey Valos. And I'm the son of Mamma Bay could do baby a would be. To discount me bamboo red is come and offer so we'll sit down, man. My yaya, what's your baby a dandy silk say? It covered in the etchina.
I only a bear.
Aye. Me friend me bounce around so I know what kind of fetch them or fan my mammy. To Miss Ramo, with the batumonim. No more neck, silk of fin cassa. The baby a dandy seal. What mammy to me buy a man no pay my money, I don't know. When you be any,
I sent neither was a coffee no, or no one in near Barnum. None of our sinner who saw in a bear, nor this scam and so and see there. So Busana was so cheerful, or so and cherry. So and cherry, she on down for me. Or also buy on so as more catch them credit time. Some are banning himself, you see, would see a wound you need to this can command, no fun. Just near my material be a buffusum. Tinam de abeto woni madawroma
some way there
mom wa me na medwene ho kra me ntia se
ya de na woka
na so o se na bi e be frɛ na se be me tira kwa ne abusa no we abotre so ho ebiso na so di kokomuti ne kwa yi so
ebiso won sama woni ne wo fa ase ne ka ebi a won sama nkomo woni ne di
tutu ntima gu na so
nti ye be frɛ no na ye busa no ene kakra busa no o kire ya yebetimi a kire
okrom ha so mo amo na agya mo anu nyama e ka beduru na ni nti na ma be ka kire mo
ni ba timi sisa ho
hwe ka ni pama sam kra ti
we ofa na ka unu aba si dan asenka we de
kaboni
it was ko kire na well ni dan no mpese obehu so de yo
o ni esanya dan ya so obetena mu bi na ni o ma ni hu ni se
bi so opese me wuo na ono fa dan na menim
oh I know dear
and I miss someone. What about you? You don't mean it. What's around our vampire? Yeah. And I will change it. Yes. In this era, what should I do? Oh my God! No, don't tell me that story. Is this not the Beyonce I used to know? It was me, Beyonce. Oh, that's a girl. You can't start that story. I am still the old Lottie you knew. Okay, still in the business. Main credit, main dynamic good day. Lottie, yeah. Do you mean it? Yeah. You are still in the business. Of course. But then you are rich. I can see say right now you are rich because what the sort of business in India. Just take a look at me. Check how high it's my application. Can you see that? That's my right. Yeah. I'm making it. So like I don't know. I don't understand the story. Just like vampire just to meet the right man or something or just no, make it short, brief. My vampire, so yeah. I'm watching and I pray. But I don't know the band now so me. It's a minute more because she has some kind. Hey, what you doing? My main kind of maybe listen to me. Okay. And then the one I'm pushing across nice guy. So freelancing about. And who now who is so bad like then Mr. Jennifer and the star. And I'm going to help Mr. Fine. I really take it by what that's time. I'm going to mark that in against what? My dear, he's more richer than you thought. Richer. Me share boy you feel. Catch him so was sit down. No, one of the household they call you. Now me say me call him. My friend, baby, let me talk. Me move for so no quiet. Me call ya. Guess who I met? My dear, life no. Who did you life? Hey, tell me who you met. Afianka. Our boss. My name, answer it. No, listen, answer it. And then the Afianka be to Afianka maybe. But I am telling you the truth. Afianka maybe. No, Beyonce. Afianka. our boss Afianga me say me kasa will be say me kasa many garinka. Say Afianga what fascinating boy no. And no what fascinating boy na that is of Afianga kana and as say Afianga to do prema. Ona ko fan class aba. Hey, kanya o.
Uni munyansa inkakwasi adoka. Uni munyansa inkakwasi adoka. Obobra inkakwasi ayoba. Obobra kora kwasi ayoba. Wajimia anyansa fuatonka. Kasati yampeni fuana nanu majimusa. Yeah. Uni munyansa inkakwasi adoka. Kwasi ajuedi. Yeah. Uni munyansa inkakwasi adoka. Obobra inkakwasi ayoba. I am king for the wood. And you giddy, corner, walk up, you know, yeah, what you say. I do it for the wood. And you giddy, corner, walk up, you know, yeah, what you say.
Hey, baby.
I do it for the wood.
Don't fuck my back. Don't fuck my back.
Oh my God.
Hi, baby.
Oh, baby. Looking great.
You look so
good. Let me
pretty.
take a look.
Ouch, come on.
Let me take a look.
Papa
Do
Ben,
that 360
I-
for me, baby. Hey. What's up? Tell me.
Hello.
What's going on?
Yeah, okay.
Pleasure.
Baby, you should go and stay like somewhere far, like
I like
Africa.
Africa.
Are you serious?
I like Ghana.
Because the business is
It's booming. Money is here.
Jeez.
Baby, what are you talking about? So,
Babe,
yeah.
we need to talk.
Ude to da na buofu ho saa wo paade na mesinya abotere to da na buofu ho saa ne so de no.
Can we say baby I'm free near hold you and can me chop presence you oh because me pace can dey akon lie
Se nyame o se ni mamu e tare se
we only buy fast now corner is it for more PM
me 1000 Ghana.
ahana so na 1000 Ghana dem dey onye na kan say 3000
Ah, tipsy. O se amenye sa.
ah ba me say say wo so 3000 me kwa me ka say scan enso me kwa kwaji 1000 kra e wa premium hold ya so na ko fa 3000 Ghana dem me dey
Na me ka se me ma menya 3000 de ama.
aha
Eso so ba yi na fe ne se na se wo se masante mo na me ton.
Anna.
Wo mo free a wo be so mbetua me ka.
Anna.
Na akwhye kamu saa.
na
Akwane na mo mo to yi pe na me nya 1000.
o ka say rebe no ntimi top ngoti so office say wo beda ho korongo kai a oba Baby, fan me from baby. Well, me call say me almost be 5,000. Obi ma me 1,000. Wo me do tena so no akodi 1,000 wo yi premium order so. O go for 1,000 Ghana dey me say wo person manim go asia na say dey.
Ude kafra.
Me ka dey mfra.
Kafra na se de aye no. Nye ya ha
Ta
da.
unti me to me chok ablabo mu. Me matifi na me na mu.
We kura bosia bi na me kobo yi o. Sem emu no.
Wo bobo sia no abone kase prego na wo ko bobo sia 3,000.
Nipa no oniska.
Ah.
Nipa no oniska nti 1000 no so obenya ama me na bia efiti next week ikon. Ebi wanya de aka na som so.
Crossing plant with ya.
Oh,
We ka isle go wanka we ko oba be set me white check ma wo kono be 10,000 15,000 baba be tele kra ase na mu sell me brand keke
We ya mambofu ya mambofu ya mambofu.
na me kom baby e we ko me kom baby e
Ya mambofu.
But now me say a core restaurant or Kodidia, then we talk about. I still have to talk to you.
What is it about? Need some money?
No, come on.
Tell me. If you need money, talk to me.
If I need money, and you will be catch him say.
I know where you can find money.
Maybe
But what
it's
is
about
it?
Afianga.
What about him?
We need to do something about him.
What do you think we should do?
The last time that I went there, not me need enough money on me, so I just gave him I think 600 Ghana cedis. And the way Afianga was praising me, after all, babe, no matter what, say the way
It's all
it's because
thanks
of
to him.
Afianga. Me, it was because of Afianga, and even sacrifice the buy, or sacrificing home now.
I think you're making a point. It's not a bad idea, though.
Yes.
So what do you think we do? Try and
What I think is
get him money.
Yes,
get him
me
an
dear.
apartment. Or money, apartment.
I say Afianga is someone that Nyankopon should have born
He's knowledgeable, he's smart.
Yes. And see, if you can help him with like money be huge money kakra be like me, I can help some, but who do better in your baby because right now no. You have everything.
I know.
So,
I think it's not a bad idea. So how much do you think we should get him?
Okay, as for that one day, let's go and eat. Then
after that, we'll talk about
us. So hop into the ride, baby. Let's go have fun, baby.
What we say is to go on now also per class again.
Let me say, oh, say, Momo, ma be saying a moment, Yancy.
Let's see, Many
Many
na me bibi me catch us at tobo nya me baby escape me free pa sika you on
ba
so can me come on match na wa
nti me na na o tia me na
o se mashada
ada bi o yesa
mashada an some to asem
na bi na pema sa na me bofu a eza o me kasenka o be me na nya botre
so wan kasa so ye hudo wan hu say isle go ho na so pe class mpratwe na class mpratwe wanya kakra manya bia ze masante mu na meton no say munye munye me kone na so mo anya ama me mo kura 100 cedis to ye can say 900 na
kala no flexi ya switch off free men shia some number man and ya wipe ya do minjina you want it ku to ton ho don ho me ya jeje ho maso so tell so pene so me ho